scraping out all of the stuff that's inside the bottom of my door. So I used a nice flathead screwdriver for that. Got all the bits of metal that were in the bottom here scraped, and then I've hoovered it all out. So yeah, that can now be protected with some engine oil and should live to fight another day. Ordered the new mechanism for my window. I've ordered one for each side, so that will be going in here, and then the window can go back in again. And I've also ordered some new window seals because Baloos are looking quite cracked and perished. So the ones I've ordered have got the chrome insert, and I've ordered a pair for both doors. And then all of his window seals are pretty much new then, because I already had new ones for the front and the back windows. As you can see, they're nice and new and complete, not perished. So once they're done, that will be a full set then.